Turntable, which is powered by Adobe Firefly, lets you turn a flat design into multiple angles of the same object. Amazing. This is a beta feature currently, so you'll need to make sure that you are in Illustrator Beta. So I'm going to select one of my little cartoon critters, and this process works best with artwork that doesn't have a background. And you can see already that I have that prompt coming up in my contextual taskbar. I can also go up to Object, Generative, and Turntable. Illustrator is going to automatically generate those rotated views and create a generative object out of it, but it's really generating based on my artwork. So now we can use the slider to rotate our object left or right. We can rotate things down or up and create all sorts of different generations for our object. We can also move to the next view and see how it's adding all of those to my canvas. I can also choose to place all of the views on my canvas. So there's all of my views. I'm just going to undo that because that's a lot of stuff. Next, with that turntable still open, I can export this as a GIF using these turntable controls. Finally, if we want to edit one view, we can take this object, duplicate, then we can ungroup and expand to start working with that. Inside our Layers panel, you can see these are all the generations that we have created. And so I can go through and reveal and hide different ones. So I think Turntable is a really fun way to look at something in different angles, different views, and has some real-world applications for us. So explore your designs from every angle.